How to change bank account in Aviator game. First, open up the Aviator game or website on your device, then log in with your credentials. Once logged in, look for profile or account settings icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click or tap on your profile or account settings icon to open up the settings menu. Then go to the payment or banks account section. Inside your account settings, look for the payment or banks account section. This section controls all your financial settings, including deposits and withdrawal methods. Click or tap on payment methods or bank account options. Select the option to change bank account. Once you're in the bank account section, look for the option like change bank account, update payment information, or edit bank account. Click or tap on this option to begin the process of updating your bank details. Then enter your new bank account details. You will now be prompted to enter your new bank account details. This may include the following: a bank account number and all these other aspects. Make sure to double check the details to ensure they are correct before submitting them. Then, if it's required, you may need to verify the new bank account. Some platforms may require verification of the new bank account. This can involve receiving a confirmation email or SMS code. Then you want to save and confirm the changes. This is optional, but it's also recommended to test the new bank account to ensure everything is working properly. You can try and make a small deposit or withdrawal from your Aviator account. If the transaction goes successfully, you have correctly updated your bank account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.